SMAPP is easy to use software, but if you fancy a little bit more help, check out this video. So obviously the first thing we need is SpaceMesh software, but before we get to that we need to install Visual C++. So if you don't have that, we need to install it, but let's check before. So go to your control panel and go to programs and look for Visual C++. So the version you need, it's the latest 2022. If you don't have this, you can easily download on Microsoft website. Nowadays most Windows are 64 bits, but if you're not sure, you can safely install both. The second thing you need is OpenCL. Now OpenCL comes installed by default when you have graphic cards, but if you're using SMAPP on a computer that don't have graphic cards, you need to manually install OpenCL. So now that you have both of these things, let's join the network. And I'm using Windows, but you choose whatever version you have. Just download the software and let's begin the installation. So pretty basic stuff, just press next, install, and that's pretty much it. Once it's done, let's run SMAPP. Let's begin the setup. If you already have a wallet, obviously you can just import it here. In this case I'm doing complete installation. So wallet and node and standard wallet. You can have a ledger service, but it's not available at the moment. I think it's for the future. So let's create a wallet in the main network. And I'm gonna go with the 12 words, but you also have 24 words option. So choose a password for your new wallet. And choose a name for your wallet. Can be anything you want. And this is my words, which I'm gonna put on a text file. And now we have the order of the words, and in the next step we have to put it wherever they belong. So pill will be number 3. Right, so soccer number 7, mountain number 11, and youth number 2. Obviously your words is going to be different than mine. And we're done. Let's go to the wallet. Now we're going to start the syncing process. This will take a little time because, as you can see, is syncing all the layers up to the current layer now. And that's it for the wallet. You have your wallet here, which you can check your name. Now let's start smashing. Let's set up a new smashing. So you need at least 256 gigabytes of space, or 4 units. So I'm going to choose a new space here, and I'm going to create a new folder called new node, and that's the folder I'm going to use. So as you can see, I have lots of space. Click next. Now let's do a benchmark. A benchmark is going to help you when we need to process the proof every 2 weeks. So we have options of 16, 64, 288, nonces. If you're gonna go with 4 units or 256 gigabytes, 128 nonces and 4 threads will be more than enough to provide you a proof. If you're gonna go with more than 1 terabyte, I suggest you use 288 nonces. Okay, once the benchmark is done, you can choose whatever option you want. I'm going to choose 128 nonces for 320 gigabytes. And don't worry, because you can change this at later stage. So here I got 320. You can also change here if you want. Max file size, this is what you want for each file it creates. It's entirely up to you if you want the default 2 gigabytes each file or 4 or more. This you cannot change at later stage. Now it's detecting my processor, so if you have a graphic card, it should show in here. It will also show your processor. Obviously you're gonna need to choose the fastest one. And here we go. I have a NVIDIA. It's integrated cards, but this is just an example. Yours should be much faster than this. Click next. That's my wallet. Yes, it's correct. Click next again. Verify everything and start creating data. And that's pretty much it. Now it's going to create your space. With each file is going to be that, which you can verify it here. It hasn't started yet. And this is the percentage. Now you can pause or you can resume smashing, and also you can edit the options. Here you can completely delete the POS data and start a new one, or you can change the space you want. Now in settings you can choose your theme to classic, light, whatever is your pill. Toggle auto start. This will start the node when your system restart, and I recommend turning this on. You have your wallet. You can change your password and your wallet name as well. Also back up your wallet. I use file backup, which is easy, or you can use mnemonic backup as well. Now, troubleshooting. There'll be times that you do your own editing and things like that, or for some reason SMAPP won't start. You're gonna need your log files. To do this, you go to your network tab and click browse log file. It will be auto-selected to you. So this is your log file, and you can either read the log file yourself, or if you're going to ask for help, Discord for example, be sure to include this. It will make easier for people to help you. If you need to edit settings from your node, this is the file you want, the JSON file. You can use any text editor, and as you can see, you can change your nonces, you can change your CPU threads as well. You can log out, then you will be required to enter the password again. And you can also run the app in the background if you do not wish to see it on screen. SpaceMesh have a great Discord community. You can find lots of help from other users on Discord, and I would advise you to join there as well for quick solutions. That's it for now, guys, and I hope this helps you.